completely from scratch in a new assembly, they usually have CAD details because they know what the metal's going to be. They might be a fabricator. So we will get a CAD drawing that just has the metal itself, and then it has an open raceway, and then we'll put different gaskets in to see if it would fit or not. We can send them samples to see how well the gasket drives in, especially for restoration projects, because there will be maybe drawings, but they're from a really long time ago. So we can give them variations. Our gaskets are a 1/16 of an inch apart on the wedge sides anyway, and they can test the fit and function by driving it in and seeing how it fits in that old assembly that's in the field.